Hey guys, it's Ghost. Welcome back to another video. So I finally got my doll from the Halloween swap. I'm pretty sure I posted the video about making my doll for this swap earlier. So now this is about unboxing what I got from the swap. It just arrived a couple hours ago. I was busy, so I wasn't able to open it, but now I finally can. So let's get into it. Ooh. Wow, this is a really pretty box. We should get that out of the outer box. Right, so this part looks like it's fastened like this. Right, so this looks like a business card. That's really cool. I put one of my business cards in the package I sent, so that's pretty cool. So let's open some more. Here's a card. I don't feel like reading the card on camera, but this is what it looks like. It's really nice. It's got green with flamingos on it. It looks really pretty. And let's actually get into the package. Oh my gosh! So it comes with a certificate of authenticity. I should have done this for the doll. I'll keep that in mind for next time I do a swap. So I'm guessing this in the middle is the doll, so I'm gonna go around it and open it up. Kind of reminds me of LOL Surprise stuff. But there's a whole bunch of other things for you to unbox. Oh my gosh! It's a Unicorno! I've always wanted one of these, but I just can't get my hands on them. Oh my gosh! I love it! I don't know which one this is, but I don't care. I love it. It's adorable, and it's gonna look cute on my shelf. Next, let's go with this one. There's a little Simba sticker on it. Oh my gosh! This is amazing! Okay, so I think I wrote this down in the swap form that you're supposed to fill out. Like, you write in things that you like, and I wrote that I absolutely love washi tape and I hoard it. And this is great. Honestly, I was kind of starting to run out, so now I'm not. I love this so much. Okay, this is not a package, but this is, so there's Zazu on this one. Open it up. Oh, here's some stickers. Oh, they're really cute. Oh, there's some frogs. Little puffy stickers of animals and food with faces on them. They're really cute. I like that. Here's another tissue ball. And here's another package. Let's unwrap that. Ooh! Glitter! That is so cool! So this is a little plastic bottle shaped like a skull, and it has a whole bunch of glitter. If you hear any background noise, my cat has come to visit us, and he may attack my pile of tissue paper. I don't know, but anyway, it's basically a skull jar with black and silver hollow glitters in it. That's awesome. I love it. I think there's one more thing in here before the doll. Nope, there's a couple more. So first, let's open this. Ooh, Halloween fabric. Wow, it's really cute. It's got like little ghosts on it. It's basically like one of those like faux quilt type things where each square looks a bit different. This is really cute. I can't really think of anything to make right off the top of my head, but I like Halloween stuff, so this is great. Here's another one. There's a hand sticker on it. Open it up. we have, I think this is more glitter. Yep, more glitter. Nice. I love glitter. Honestly, we don't have a lot of fun glitter here in Japan, so I can't really buy any. So this is great. And I see one more thing in the package underneath the doll, so I'm gonna just take that out first. Just some paper lace doilies. These are fun. You usually put them under cake or other types of food, but you could use it for crafts too, and they're really fun, so yay! It's also kind of hard to get doilies with pretty colors here in Japan, so yeah. Anyway, time for the main event. I hope my camera doesn't die on me. My cat just dropped something. Let's just take it out of the box, like so. The box is really nice. And slowly unwrap. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is really cool. Alright, so she's a bit messed up from packaging. Also, my cat is here, so yeah, just don't mind him. Please don't eat her. Okay, so basically what's going on here is she's a bit messed up from shipping, but she looks really cool. Very hard to review with my cat. Here, please, sir. Alright, my cat's distracted. So, okay, so what's going on here is this is a Kitsune doll with 3 tails. You can see here. The card kind of detailed how the tails were made. Apparently they use pipe cleaners and things like that, so they're fully posable. That's really cool. Kind of like that. I really like the hairstyle. It's really cute. It's got like a rose bow at the end, and it's like kind of tied like that. And she's wearing like a halter top and some pants. Kind of look like that. I'm not sure what type of pants this is, but it looks really nice. And she's also wearing some sandals. I really love her overall color scheme, and I just really love how her mask looks. It's so detailed, and I love it. And also she has blue ears, the same color as her tails. And she has a whole bunch of flowers and pearls in her hair. Honestly, I love it so much. I don't know if I'm expressing that properly. I love it. I love it so much. It's so cool. Well, yeah, I'm honestly at a loss for words. It's just so exciting receiving a doll that was made from someone else. This is my first time. I've never bought a doll before or done a doll swap before. I know I've done a pony swap before, but it's slightly different when it comes to a fully customized doll, I think. And honestly, I had a whole lot of fun. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in another one. Bye!